Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to increase video RAM graphics without any software on Windows step by step, so let's get started. First, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. From here, click on Display Adapters, then right-click on your graphics driver and click on Update Driver. Now click on Search Automatically for drivers. It will check for updates and you may see that the best drivers are already installed. Then click on Close and close the window. Now right-click on your desktop screen and click on Display Settings, then scroll and click on Advanced Display Settings, and then click on Display Adapter Properties. Here you can see your current dedicated video memory. Sometimes it shows 0 MB for integrated graphics. Now click on OK and close everything. Next, press Windows plus R together to open the Run box, type Regedit and click OK. The Registry Editor will open. Now maximize the screen. From here go to key_local_machine, then click on Software, then find and click on Intel. Now right-click on Intel, select New, then click on Key and name it GMM. After that, right-click on GMM, select New, then click on DWORD, 32-bit, value and name it DedicatedSegmentSize. Now right-click on it, click on Modify, and enter the value according to your RAM. For example, 2 GB RAM equals 256, 4 GB equals 512, 8 GB equals 1024, and 16 GB equals 2048. If you have 16 GB RAM, enter 2048 and click OK, then close the Registry Editor. Finally, restart your computer, and after restarting, you will see that your video RAM graphics value has increased. This method helps optimize integrated graphics memory for better performance in games and applications. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.